At Capel Manor College, real-world learning is at the heart of what we do. Supporting the return of beavers to London shows how education can drive positive environmental change. Approximately 4 years ago, we partnered with Enfield Council to bring a pair of beavers into a managed enclosure as part of a wider conservation and flood mitigation initiative. Today, there are 8 beavers, and they're not just surviving, they're thriving. For our students studying animal management and wildlife and environmental conservation, this project offers a once-in-a-lifetime learning opportunity. They've been involved in everything from wildlife monitoring to water testing, habitat surveys and even tree planting.
Rivers are critical to the health of both ecosystems and communities, but many Enfield's watercourses have been significantly degraded over time due to urbanisation and historic modifications. Over the past decade, we've been restoring Enfield's rivers using nature-based solutions, including the construction of wetlands to reduce flood risk, improve water quality, enhance biodiversity and provide amenity value. We recognise that Eurasian beavers could deliver many of these ecosystem services themselves. Their dam building activity slows down peak flows, increases water retention and creates complex wetland habitats, all of which contribute to reducing downstream flood risk in areas like Edmonton.
We've seen a huge boost in biodiversity from woodland flowers, regrowing willows and more birds, bats and insects. Our testing shows the water is clearer and healthier than it's ever been. What's really exciting is how the beavers are actively shaping their environment, felling trees, creating habitats and encouraging other wildlife to return.
The reintroduction of beavers at Forty Hall is a flagship project within Enfield's broader ambition to rewild the borough and reconnect our communities with nature. Thanks to our strong partnership with Capel Manor College and support from the Mayor of London, we've already seen huge success. This project shows how nature-based solutions can reduce flood risk, boost biodiversity and create welcoming green spaces. With improved footpaths, a new viewing platform and public tours launching soon, we're so excited to open this space to even more residents, especially young people and schools, so they can experience firsthand the power of rewilding.